Students, we are now with part 2 of question number 1 of exercise 3.3. okay, so what is the given question here? S minus t equals to 3. This is your first equation, and s upon 3 plus t upon 2 equals to 6. This is your second equation, and we have to solve the pair of equation. Means what? We have to find the value of s and t, variable s and variable t. So let's find it. So जैसे मैंने पिछले वीडियो में भी किया था, okay, same here I am continuing the same process. Substitution method जो है, I hope आपको वो clear हो गया होगा. Now from equation 1 you can find value of s और t. आप कोई भी वैल्यू यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सपोज आई एम फाइंडिंग वैल्यू फॉर t. ओके, सो दिस मीन्स व्हाट? s माइनस 3 इक्वल्स टू t. आप ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. s minus t equals to 3 को आप s minus 3 equal to t, you can write it here. You have shifted 3 from RHS to LHS and you have transposed minus t from LHS to RHS. Is that clear? तो I hope आपको ये चीज़ तो clear हो गई होगी. Now what we will do next? Now this means what? T is equals to what? S minus 3. Therefore t equals to what? S minus 3. Is that clear? Now you will substitute this value of t, okay, in equation 2. okay, because this value we have, कहाँ से हमें ये मिली है? ये हमें वैल्यू जो t की मिली है, we have got this from equation number 1. So we will put this value in equation number 2. So substituting value of t equals to s minus 3 in equation number 2. So what we will get? Now you can see here s upon 3 को तो हम as it is लिखेंगे. okay, now instead of t what we will write, students? We will write s minus 3. Is that clear? So instead of t we will write s minus 3 upon 2 equals to 6. clear? So we will take the LCM. जब हम LCM लेंगे, so LCM will be what? 6. okay, so यहाँ पे what will be multiplied with s? 2 will be multiplied. okay, I hope आपको LCM पूरा अच्छे से आता है. Now similarly what will be multiplied with s minus 3? 3 will be multiplied, so it will become 3 into s minus 3 equals to 6. right? Now this means what? This implies 2s plus 3s minus 9 equals to 36. है ना? 6 into 6 you have multiplied 6 into 6, so 6 6 are 36. This means what? 2s plus 3s means what? 5s is equals to 36 plus 9. लिख सकते हैं. This implies 5s is equals to 45, and which means what? s equals to 45 upon 9, sorry, 45 upon 5, 45 upon 5. Therefore you will get s equals to 9. okay, 5 9s are 45. Is that clear? okay, now we will substitute this value of s in any one of the equation. आपको जो equation easy समझ में आ रही है आप उसमें put up कर सकते हैं. so I can put this in equation 1. okay, मैं 1 में put कर रहा हूँ, आप चाहो तो 2 में भी कर सकते हो. so I am putting this in equation number 1. so what I will get now? Putting s equals to 9 in equation number 1, what I will get? I will get, instead of s I will put what? 9. so it will become what? 9 minus t equals to 3. This means your 9 minus 3 equals to what? t, or t equals to what? 6. Therefore what will be your answer? Therefore you are getting s as 9 and t as what? 6, and this is your required result. I hope आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. okay, so in this video we have seen, students, our question number part 2 of question number 1. in next video we will solve our next question. Thank you.